got music today, Zoe?
Yes, we have. It's the next lesson.
Oh no, not music. I don't like music. Ow!
What's the matter, Joey?
He's got a headache.
Both of you go to the school nurse with Robbie. He's got a headache. Oh, there, coming, Joey.
Thank you.
Joey, you haven't got a headache. You're listening to music. Go back to class.
Hello kids, let's go learn about the plants today.
Fantastic! I like science.
Oh, I don't. Oh.
What's the matter, Joey?
I got a toothache.
Oh, there, go to the nurse.
Hello, Aaron, Joey.
I got a toothache.
Okay, coming. Joey, you haven't got a toothache. You're eating sweets. Go back to class.
Art is my favorite subject.
It is my favorite subject. Achoo!
Have you got a cold now, Joey?
Yes, I have.
Oh, go to the nurse. Joey, what a surprise!
I got a cold.
Coming then. Joey, close the window. You haven't got a cold. Go back to class.